Potter jean. Ah! Whee! I just feel like filming this video outside for you guys. If you hear noise, a baby playing, that should be my baby, my toddler and my husband. They are at the back, not far from here. They are playing in the garden there. All right, let's get into it. Are you a lover of Harry Potter? If you're a lover of Harry Potter, you're going to love all these pieces I'm going to share with you guys because they are inspired by Harry Potter. Without wasting of your time, let's dash into it. Oh, sometimes the way they see all these things is really like, I don't know why. They will see them as if it's something you don't want to open again. You don't want to open. Okay, I have a lot of things in here. I don't know what this is. So this is how they really protect everything, you can see. So I'm going to drop them on the floor. Oh, you see, I have a lot in here. I have a lot of stuff here. A lot of stuff here. There are some of the things I don't even know. Normally I'm not a fan of Harry Potter, but I saw the things they are so like beautiful. I said, why not? Why not? It's not everybody. They have a face cap. Oh, there really are a lot. Even umbrella. Guys, this is even phone case. This is going to be really fun. Is it 2 umbrella I got? Oh, I got 2 umbrellas. Okay. Oh, yeah. All right. This is going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting. And I am so happy. So which are we going to start with? Should I drop everything down? Okay, let me leave it here. We're going to start with this one. What is this one? I don't know what this is. What's this thing? I don't know what it is. Okay. It's something you can put perfume or put. Okay. Yeah, you can put perfume or any whatever inside. This is so cute. And I got 2 of it. 2 of it. So you can put your perfume inside. It's a travel size. Okay, next is this phone case. Hey, I love this. Oh, I love this. This should be for what? I was thinking I took for, okay, maybe I took for my iPhone 13 Pro Max. I think so. That's what I took this one for. See, it's so cute. So cute. I love that. I even took umbrella. Yeah. Umbrella. See, Harry Potter. Let's see. Wait, how do you on this? Oh. Whee! This is so cool, so lovely. It is really lovely. I love this. Love this. And I took 2 umbrellas. I think it's 2 umbrellas because I saw another umbrella. Where is the other one? Oh, okay, this one is on my leg. Because I saw 2 umbrellas. Yeah, let me bring this other one out. This one is another design. Harry Potter. Okay, this one is black. So since I've opened that other one, no need of opening this one. It's the same thing but different color. Okay. Then I have another thing here. What's in here? Oh. This is a t-shirt. See, a t-shirt and a short, and I took medium. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. It's so cute. The 2 together is so lovely. That's going to be so beautiful. Then I have another thing here. This one too is a top. It's a t-shirt too. I think so. Yeah, it's a t-shirt. See this? What number is this? Also 07. With this design of snake. Anyway, it's cute. I like it. All right, I have another thing here. What's this one? Ah, this is a hairband. Yeah, it's written Harry Potter. You see, it's a hairband, and this is so beautiful. This one is what's this one? Okay, this one is a bag, a backpack. Wow, lovely. This is really lovely. I like it. See, it's so beautiful. I like it. It has zip. Let's see the inside. How does the inside look like? Let me see the inside. Okay, the inside is simple, but it has some pocket inside. Some, how do they call these? I forgot the name they call all these. I forgot. Okay, inside. All right. Let's see. I still have some other things here, and this one is a face cap. And the quality of this face cap is so cool. Look at this. Harry Potter. It's so cool. Maybe I'm going to give this to my son. Oh, will it fit? Ah, it fits. Look at that. So beautiful. This look cute. It's cute. I love this. All right. There's another thing here. What's this one? This one is a t-shirt too. This is a t-shirt. Yeah, this is a t-shirt. This is navy blue. It's beautiful. Look at the back. The front is just written Harry Potter in the front of it. It's lovely. I like it. Then, what's in here? Let's see. Is a jean? Ah! How will the jean look like? Harry Potter jean. Ah! Wow, look at that. Oh, this is beautiful. I love it with all these bats that are flying. You guys can see. I'm just laughing. It's lovely. The weather at the time is fast spent. It's after 8 p.m. It's almost to 9 p.m. I'm filming this video outside. 9 p.m. I'm filming this video outside. See, this is so beautiful. The under is flared. The under is really big. It's lovely. I like it. I just hope this will be my size because I don't know. It's L. I took it's L. I just hope it will be my size. Okay. Then what's in here? Okay, this one is hoodie. It's an hoodie. Oh, and the quality. It's so cute. Look at the back. You see the back? The quality of it is so cute. I love this. Look at the design at the back. You guys can see the design at the back. It's so beautiful. Hoodie. And this will be for winter, okay? Because in the evenings when the weather is a little bit cold, you can just throw this on. I love it. Which size did I take in this one? Let me see the size I took. It's not written. The size is not written. I can't see the size, but I know everything I took was medium. I did not take anything more than medium. Where is my scissors? Oh, I can't find my scissors. Okay, let's open this one and see what's inside. If I don't pull my nails today because of this. Oh! Look at these, guys. Wow! This is it a mug? I'll call it a mug, right? It's so cute. Other 3 mugs. And I like the fact that the color is black. It's so cute. Yeah, it's the same thing. But this one has wow, look at this. This is so beautiful, so beautiful. I'm not even joking. I'm not kidding. It's so beautiful. Look at the design. Lovely. I love this. Then the third one will still be what's this third thing here? My nails is pulling now. My nails is pulling. It's press on nails that I did because of this video, because I know I'm going to remove them, so I did not really take my time to do them well. My bra hand is strapped. The straps of my bra is falling off. It's white. Look at this one. How cute. It's written Harry Potter. How cute is this? And I think that is all. That is all we got. Why is this strap? The strap of my bra is just falling. So that is all that we got. Look at this. This is so cute. So cute. I love it. So that is all we got from this haul. So everything is inspired by Harry Potter. Okay, if you're a lover of Harry Potter, you're going to love all these items. They look so cute. Each one of the items are so cute. I like them. So you know what to do. Dash to the description. Their details will be there, and a discount code will be there for you to use and get some I cannot talk. All right, let me start again. So in case you're interested in getting anyone, just check the description box. Their details, their link, everything will be there. They are from Shein, and also there will be a discount code that you can use to get some percentage of your purchase. All right guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Share this video to your loved ones, to everyone, your friends, your mother, your father, your sisters, your aunties, your uncles. Support my YouTube, support my channel. I will be so grateful. Thank you so much, and leave your comment. Which is your favorite item among all, which you prefer? All right guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.